Throughout the years, we've done a lot of research on gift wrapping and tools that might help make that easier. We've even launched some things in the past. But as we've looked at things on the market, we feel like none of them are great. They all are honestly more work than they're worth. They're hard to set up, or they're difficult to use, or they're too big, whatever it is. We've created something that is so easy to use, and often when you're wrapping a gift, it's fast, right? You get your wrapping paper out, you don't want to set anything up. So what I love about this is, first of all, everything stays stored in it. So it has a gift wrap cutter, and it has a tape dispenser, and it has the gift wrap holder all built into it. And it's not very big, right? So you could keep this with your gift wrap stuff. So when I'm ready to use it, all I'm gonna do is take my paper, put it in here, and then it holds it in place so I can easily roll it out. And I'm gonna take my cutter, again with the built-in storage, and I'm going to just slide it along. Just like that. And then I also have my built-in tape dispenser. So you can see how easy that is to use. When I'm done, I want to switch out my gift wrap. I just take that out. I put the other roll in. Whether I'm on a table, I'm on the ground. I know that's where I usually am if I'm wrapping a present. It retails for $18.99. This is going to be perfect.